Busy day for police in Kansas City, but not for what you might first think. Police and animal control spent several hours seizing 24 pit bulls in a Kansas City neighborhood. New at 10, Garrett Haig tells us what led police to those dogs and what they think they were doing there.
Well, Carissa, police weren't looking for dogs when they arrived in an East Kansas City neighborhood this afternoon. In fact, they were trying to make a drug arrest. Well, tonight police have their man and 24 dogs. Tonight, vets and volunteers at KC Pet Project are making room for 24 new arrivals. All dogs seized today from this East Kansas City neighborhood. All but one are pit bull breeds from pups on up. City officials believe 2 are pregnant females. Police discovered most of the dogs in hidden kennels in these woods behind a vacant lot in the 5600 block of Bales. Another 4 were taken from a home across the street. Police say most of the animals were in good condition and think they were being raised for breeding purposes. But investigators aren't ruling out the possibility they were kept to fight. Kansas City ordinances make it illegal to own more than 4 dogs in one home and require them to be spayed or neutered. Apparently not the case here. Tonight, all the dogs are getting checkups and a warm place to spend the night. Now, Kansas City just announced a program 2 weeks ago to provide free spaying and neutering for pit bulls in certain zip codes, including the one where these dogs were found today. You can learn more about that program on our website at kshb.com. For now, Garrett Haig, 41 Action News.
Is it locking himself out? Go ahead, look. Hey, that way. I got this on here. Come on. Take this dog to the truck, sir.